Hello you lovely people and welcome to this video. My name is Coco and I intended to go shopping with you today. Not clothes shopping, that is not what I do. Grocery shopping. I love grocery shopping. It's one of the great joys of my life. Last week I was zero waste shopping with you at Lidl and that was kind of a lot of fun. So I wanted to do that again, but I realized I still have so many veggies at home and so much food, so I don't need to go grocery shopping this week. First, I need to eat up all of the food I have home. Because if there's something I hate more than plastic packaging, it's food waste. And we don't do that around here. Oh no, we don't. And since I massively enjoy cleaning out the pantry, cleaning out the freezer, cleaning out the fridge videos, let's just call this a pantry clean out. Although I don't really have a pantry. Well, it doesn't matter. I have food in my home. I need to use it up. So I thought we could just cook together and use up all the food that I have. And then I'll take you shopping again. Promise. If you want, just leave me a comment and tell me where I should go shopping next. I considered going to Aldi and see if it's just as good as Lidl. Or we could go to other German supermarkets. There are a few around and I would just like to go there and rate them according to how well you can go zero waste shopping there. Apart from that, let's get cooking. As you can see, I still have quite a lot of veggies here. We've got some zucchini, we have tomatoes, we have cucumbers, we have potatoes, and also I picked up this vegan grill plate at Lidl last week. If you haven't seen that video where I was going zero waste shopping at Lidl, I'll leave a link up there and down below. And this is best before the 6th of August. It's the 7th today. I don't have a problem if it's a few days over that, but why not make it? It looks delicious. And since the weather is horrible outside today, we're not gonna have a Barbie on the balcony today. Instead, I'll just put this in a pan. And with the zucchini and the tomatoes, didn't I have a paprika here? Well, I just checked in with my boyfriend and he ate the paprika, which means, well, we don't have a red paprika anymore, but we still have zucchini, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and I think we have a green paprika on the balcony. I do have a little garden on my balcony, so let's check if we can find a paprika there. Welcome to my little jungle on the balcony. Yeah, I started this a few years ago. My mom actually insisted that since I have a balcony, I grow some plants on it. And I thought I would kill them all, but turns out I'm not too shabby with plants. We've got a cucumber plant right here. We've got one, back there. We've got some tomato plants here. 2 paprika plants here. We've got a lot of basil, and also back here, because we don't get a lot of sun here in this corner, we also have some pretty flowers. It's kind of hard to film this and cut this at the same time, but Ooh. Don't run away. Come back. We secured the paprika. It's tiny and it's green, but it'll do. Since we have all of these potatoes, I thought we'd do some roasted potatoes in the oven. We'll see what else we do. But ratatouille, roasted potatoes, and the grill plate, and that should be plenty of food for at least 2 days. So there you have all the chopped up veggies. It's a zucchini, several tomatoes, a few onions, and a lot of garlic. The original recipe is from this book, and the original recipe calls for, well, 3 paprikas, we didn't have that, so I only put in the green one. But we have zucchini, we have the tomatoes, and the garlic and the onions. And then we also have some fresh rosemary from the balcony. So in go a few tablespoons of olive oil, the fresh rosemary, some lemon juice. The recipe says 2 or 3 tablespoons. I just put in the juice of a whole lemon. Get that juice out there. A little bit of vegetable broth. And then we just smush it around. Okay. Put this in the oven. Please ignore the fact that this oven has not been cleaned in a long while, but we put it in there, 200 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. That is important. And we leave it in there for about half an hour. That should do the trick. I chopped up all the potatoes, and I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil on top of them. And then basically all of the spices that you like. I watch Frugal Fit Mom, Christine from Idaho in the United States, and she always says that if you think you've oversalted your potatoes, then it's the right amount of salt. So potatoes can handle a lot of salt. Just salt them and then put on a little more salt. So generous amount of salt. Then some smoked paprika. Oh yeah, that's good. Then, of course, fresh pepper. We also like the pepper in this household. Some seasoned salt and some Italian herbs. This is just a mixture of different things like rosemary, thyme, basil, you know, stuff like that. Then we're gonna mix this all together. Basically, I love potatoes because you can do such a lot of things with them. And if you think potatoes are boring, you just haven't seasoned them right. They just need a lot of seasoning, a lot of spices, and then they are awesome. A lot of seasoning. And now we think we have put on the right amount of salt, but now let's put on some more. Then we put this in the oven as well, 30 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I took the potatoes out after 15 minutes just to turn them around a little bit. Yeah, run, you're free. No, you're not. I'm gonna catch you. Sorry, I was talking to the potato. Now we put them back in the oven for another 15 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna make the grill plates. You can see here that Germans love their English words. This is supposed to be German, but they use the term grill bites. I don't know if that even exists in the English language, but I think this thing is here. I think they're supposed to mimic like meat. And then we have different Spieße. Spieße means skewer or kebabs. So we have different kebabs. And then over here we have cevapcici. Cevapcici are something originally from the Balkan area. Here from Germany to the Balkan area, it's not far, 8-10 hours by car. A lot of Germans love to go there on vacation, especially to Croatia. And cevapcici, that is basically minced meat with a lot of spices, and then you form them into these little rolls, and then you put them on the barbecue, or in our case, into the pan, well, because the weather is still horrible outside. I think that looks pretty good, and it smells good too. All right, so this is what the finished product looks like. We have the potatoes over here, nice and crunchy. We've got the vegetables over here, nice and juicy. And we have the vegan grill thingies here.
Some of them got a bit dark because I was preoccupied with, I was maybe already plating instead of looking at the food, but it's all right. They are good. And we'll dig in now. This is my boyfriend, Toby. Say hello, Toby.
Hey, Toby.
He's thrilled to be in this video. Do you see it? I know that I like the food, but what's your opinion?
Potatoes, very good. Veggies, better even. So, what is this supposed to be?
Grilled bites, just some sort of meat.
It tastes good.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have chichi?
Nope.
Very good texture. And good taste, yeah.
Nice. I think the skewers, we already tried some of these from Aldi and they were really good. So I think they just taste the same. Nice. So it's Toby approved.
Yeah, it is.
Awesome. Thank you for your opinion.
So that was it. We cooked up all the veggies, apart from a few sad cucumbers and tomatoes that will end up in a salad. Nothing left. So now we can go shopping again. Yay! I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, do all the things, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!